Hi student, today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 8, quadrilateral. In last chapter, chapter number 7, you learn about the triangle and its different congruence criteria, right? Okay, so let me begin with a line. What is a line? You can see this line. So you can tell me the line. If all the points are collinear, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, many lines, points. If these points are collinear, collinear means in a same line, then we obtain a line segment. Isn't it? अगर सभी पॉइंट्स एक लाइन में हो तो हमें एक अगर हमें उन्हें ज्वाइन करते हैं तो वी गेट अ लाइन सेगमेंट, राइट? Okay, now see what is a triangle. If 3 out of 4 points, how many points are there in this figure? 1, 2, 3, 4. And out of this 4 point, if any 3 points are collinear, we get a triangle. Correct? These 3 points are collinear. 3 points की बात कही गई है कि 3 point collinear है, तो 4th point will be non-collinear. And if we'll join those points, we get a figure triangle. So now coming up to the quadrilateral, which is the main topic of our chapter. What is quadrilateral? See, this figure is a quadrilateral. Quad मतलब 4. So quadrilateral मतलब having 4 points. So if no 3 points out of 4 are collinear, no 3 points out of 4, right? How many points you can see in this figure? 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of this 4, the 3 are non-collinear. We obtain a closed figure with 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 angles, this is angle 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 vertices. And such a figure is known as a quadrilateral. So, in simple language, what is a quadrilateral? A closed figure made up of 4 line segments. 4 lines is known as a quadrilateral. So, a quadrilateral has a 4 side, 4 angles and 4 vertices. See, this is also a quadrilateral. It has a 4 points, non-collinear points. It has a 4 sides and 4 vertices, as well as you will get a 4 angles. 1, 2, of course, it's a reflex, and 4. Got it? So let's see quadrilateral. If all the points are collinear, we obtain a line segment. If 3 out of 4 points are collinear, we get a triangle. And if no 3 point out of 4 are collinear, we obtain a closed figure with 4 sides, which is known as a quadrilateral. So a quadrilateral has a 4 side, C side AB, BC, CD, AD. 4 angles, angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. And 4 vertices, vertex A, B, C, D. Similarly, see this quadrilateral PQRS, 4 side, 4 vertex and 4 angle P, Q, R and S. अंडरस्टूड? आई होप आपको अभी क्वाड्रिलेटरल का मीनिंग समझ में आ गया होगा. क्वाड्रिलेटरल मीन्स अ 4-sided polygon is known as a quadrilateral. Now let's begin with the type of quadrilaterals. How many types of a quadrilateral do you know? Till now अपने 8th standard में you learn the types of quadrilateral. 8th standard में आप quadrilateral के types पढ़ चुके हो, right? See this. These are the types of quadrilateral. कितने types है? Do you remember कितने types के आपने quadrilateral पढ़े थे? याद करो. पैरेललोग्राम, स्क्वायर, रोम्बस, रेक्टेंगल, काइट and trapezium, isn't it? So how many types of quadrilateral are there? Total 6. This is the figure of a trapezium. I'll explain you one by one. This is a parallelogram. This is a rectangle. This is a rhombus. This is square and this is a kite. So total, how many types of quadrilateral do you study till now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, mainly in this chapter, we are going to study the parallelogram, okay, its properties in the form of theorem. इसी की प्रॉपर्टीज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे क्वाड्रिलेटरल की एक्चुअली पैरेललोग्राम की प्रॉपर्टीज जो है वो आप लोग 8th स्टैंडर्ड में भी पढ़ चुके हो, लेकिन वहाँ आपने प्रॉपर्टीज के फॉर्म में पढ़ा था. यहाँ हम लोग वही प्रॉपर्टीज को थेरम्स के फॉर्म में पढ़ेंगे एंड विल ट्राई टू प्रूव दैट थेरम्स ऑल्सो. Got it? So let's begin with the type of quadrilateral. First is a parallelogram. What is parallelogram? A quadrilateral in which both pair of opposite sides are parallel is called a parallelogram. एक ऐसा quadrilateral जिसकी दोनों opposite side parallel हो. Okay? Do you know the meaning of parallel? आई होप आपको पैरेलल का मीनिंग समझ में आता है। ब्लैक बोर्ड को इमेजिन करो और सी, अभी आपके हाथ में मोबाइल है, मोबाइल के जो दो एजेस है, वो एजेस जो है लाइक दिस एजेस, दिस इज अ पैरेलल, द लाइन्स विच नेवर इंटरसेक्ट, right, is known as a parallel line. So a quadrilateral which has a both pair, opposite pair parallel is known as a parallelogram. Like here AB parallel to CD and BC is also parallel to AD. So ABCD is a parallelogram. Understood? Now moving ahead with the second type of quadrilateral, rhombus. What is a rhombus? Rhombus is also a parallelogram. It is a parallelogram whose all sides are equal is called the rhombus. A parallelogram whose all sides are equal, ऐसा पैरेललोग्राम जिसकी सभी साइड्स इक्वल हो, चारों साइड इक्वल हो, दैट इज नोन एज अ rhombus. Say this, ABCD, its all four sides are equal, AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD. If this is 2 centimeter, BC will also be 2 centimeter, CD will also be 2 centimeter and AD will also be 2 centimeter. This is known as a rhombus. A rhombus, all the rhombus are parallelogram, because what is the definition of a rhombus? A parallelogram whose all sides are equal, it is a parallelogram. So all the rhombus are parallelogram, but all the parallelograms are not rhombus. Just keep in your mind, इसमें बहुत बच्चे मिस्टेक करते हैं, तो ये चीज आपको ध्यान रखनी है कि जितने भी rhombus होते हैं, all the rhombus are parallelogram, but all the parallelograms are not rhombus. Understood? Now coming to the third type of quadrilateral, it's a rectangle. Rectangle is what? See the definition, see the meaning. A parallelogram means rectangle भी क्या है? It's a parallelogram. A parallelogram whose each angle is equal to 90 degree is called a rectangle. What is a rectangle? It is also a parallelogram whose each angle is equal to 90 degree. So rectangle में वो सारी प्रॉपर्टीज होगी जो पैरेललोग्राम की होती है, प्लस उसका हर एंगल कितना होगा? 90 डिग्री होगा. सी द फिगर, rectangle, not new for you. AB equal to CD, opposite sides are equal, AD equal to BC and each angle is 90 degree. So can we say all the rectangles are parallelogram, like all the square are parallelogram? अभी हमने पढ़ा ना कि जितने भी rhombus होते हैं वो भी parallelogram होते हैं, उसी तरह जितने rectangle होते हैं वो भी parallelogram होते हैं. But all the parallelograms are not rectangle, but सारे parallelogram rectangle नहीं होते हैं. Again this point is to be noted, क्योंकि यहाँ बहुत सारे बच्चे again mistake करते हैं. जितने भी rhombus है are parallelogram, जितने भी rectangle है are parallelogram, but all the parallelogram are not rhombus, not rectangle. Okay, coming to the fourth type of a quadrilateral, square. What is a square? A square is a parallelogram whose all adjacent sides are equal and each angle is 90 degree is called a square. So what is a square? Square is also a parallelogram whose all adjacent sides are equal. Adjacent sides, I hope the meaning of adjacent side must be clear to you. अगर नहीं है तो ये देखिए, adjacent मतलब ये AB और BC are adjacent sides, BC and CD are adjacent side, CD and AD are adjacent side, AD and AB is also adjacent side. जो L बनाता है ना, ये ऐसा L, चाहे सीधा L हो चाहे उल्टा L हो, ये adjacent sides होती है. So parallelogram क्या है? Parallelogram are square क्या है? Square is also a parallelogram whose all adjacent sides are equal. All adjacent sides are equal means all four sides are equal and each angle is 90 degree is called the square. Or you can say a rectangle. Square is a rectangle in which a pair of adjacent sides are equal is said to be a square. So we can say rectangle is a rectangle in which square is also a rectangle. ये भी हम बोल सकते हैं. Square is a parallelogram, square is a rectangle also. Okay. Now coming to the fifth. Okay, one more point to be noted. All the squares are also a rectangle. जो मैंने अभी आपको repeat किया था कि all the squares are rectangle. So all the squares are also a rectangle as well as a parallelogram. सारे square rectangle भी होते हैं और parallelogram भी होते हैं. But all the rectangles are not square. All right. Okay. Now trapezium. A quadrilateral in which exactly one pair of opposite side is parallel is called a trapezium. What is a trapezium? It is a quadrilateral in which exactly one pair of opposite side is parallel. ये trapezium है, इसकी एक opposite side parallel है और दूसरी non parallel is known as trapezium. You can see this figure. Now, next is kite. A quadrilateral in which two pair of adjacent sides are equal is called the kite. This is the figure of kite. Here the two adjacent side, मतलब AD is equal to CD होगा and BC will be equal to AB होगा. This is known as a kite. I hope ये सारे जो type है that must have clear to you. Once again, one more important thing जो आपको याद रखना है जिसमें बच्चे बहुत confuse होते हैं. See this figure. It is a parallelogram. ये एक parallelogram की मैंने family बनाई है. As I told you that rectangles are parallelogram. All rhombus are parallelogram. All squares are parallelogram. तो अगर आप ये डायग्राम ध्यान रखते होगे तो आपसे कभी मिस्टेक नहीं होगा कि रेक्टेंगल जो है वो किसकी फैमिली में आता है, पैरेललोग्राम की फैमिली में आता है. दिस इज अ फैमिली ट्री. अज्यूम कि ये फैमिली है एंड ये फैमिली के मेंबर्स है. सो रेक्टेंगल की फैमिली में कौन कौन आते हैं, रेक्टेंगल, रोम्बस, स्क्वायर. ऑलराइट, इसके साथ में रोम्बस एंड पैरेललोग्राम आर रिलेटेड, क्लोजली रिलेटेड. Same way, square and rectangle are also related. How? All the squares are rectangle. How these two are related? Rectangle and square कैसे related है एक दूसरे से? Because we know that all the squares are also a rectangle. जितने भी square होते हैं वो सब के सब rectangles होते हैं as well as parallelograms होते हैं. But all the rectangles are not square, right? All the rhombus are parallelogram, but all the parallelogram are not rhombus. What is the basic difference between the rhombus and a parallelogram? In a rhombus, opposite sides are parallel, but all the four sides are equal. But in a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel, but all the four sides are not equal. How this rectangle and square are related? In a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Each angle is 90 degree. In a square, all four sides are equal and each angle is 90 degree. Understood? I hope you must have understood the meaning or the type of a quadrilateral.